Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of leafy sea dragons, one of the most intriguing creatures in our oceans. To start, let's define what a leafy sea dragon is. In everyday language, a leafy sea dragon is a type of marine fish that belongs to the family Syngnathidae, which also includes seahorses and pipefish. These incredible animals are found in the coastal waters of Australia and are known for their remarkable appearance, with long leaf-like protrusions on their bodies that resemble seaweed. But what makes leafy sea dragons significant in the natural world? They play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey, and their unique characteristics have adapted them to thrive in their environments. The evolutionary history of leafy sea dragons dates back millions of years, with fossil records indicating that they've remained largely unchanged for centuries. One of the key naturalists who contributed to our understanding of leafy sea dragons is the Australian marine biologist, William J. Dakin, who first described the species in the early 20th century. Since then, our scientific understanding of leafy sea dragons has evolved significantly, with advances in technology and research techniques allowing us to study these creatures in greater detail. Recent research findings have shed light on the fascinating behaviors of leafy sea dragons. For example, studies have shown that they are skilled hunters, using their long snouts to capture small crustaceans and plankton. They've also been observed exhibiting complex social behaviors, such as forming long-term monogamous relationships and communicating with each other through a series of clicks and chirps. In fact, researchers have discovered that leafy sea dragons are able to change color to signal aggression, courtship, or territorial behavior, making them one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. But how do leafy sea dragons interact with their environment? They inhabit shallow, coastal waters with abundant seaweed and seagrass, where they can blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. They've also been known to form symbiotic relationships with other species, such as sea slugs and fish, which help to clean parasites from their bodies. Unfortunately, leafy sea dragons are facing significant environmental challenges, including habitat degradation, pollution, and climate change, which threaten the delicate balance of their ecosystems. One of the most pressing conservation issues affecting leafy sea dragons is the destruction of their habitats due to coastal development and pollution. For example, the construction of seawalls and jetties has led to the destruction of seagrass beds and coral reefs, which are critical habitats for leafy sea dragons. Additionally, climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise, which can lead to changes in the distribution and abundance of their prey species. To combat these threats, conservation efforts are underway to protect leafy sea dragon habitats and reduce the impact of human activities on their ecosystems. In conclusion, leafy sea dragons are truly one of the most remarkable creatures in our oceans, with their unique appearance, fascinating behaviors, and important role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. As we've seen, they're facing significant environmental challenges, but by studying these incredible animals and working to protect their habitats, we can gain valuable insights into the complex relationships between species and their environment. So, what can we learn from leafy sea dragons? We can learn about the importance of adaptability and resilience in the face of changing environments, and the need for conservation efforts to protect these incredible ecosystems for future generations. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.